Hello everybody and welcome to How Things Look Like, and today with a sub, half a sub, because a whole sub would be too much in the evening, but it's turkey ham. So let's start. This is how I get it. Normal Subway bag. And here, oh, no, I lost this. Nothing special. Let's take a look on the sub itself. So this is the turkey ham. The turkey ham, maybe like you never see it before. No. Yeah. So I take cheese oregano as bread, and the sauce is barbecue because I'm a big friend of barbecue. First of all, I divide it like this, that we can take a look on the sub like this. Yeah. And this looks good. Here we saw the two different types of meat, and then the salad and the sauce. And I take cheddar cheese, and it was in the oven, so the cheese should be melted. So let's take a look. I open this up. Yeah, here we are. This is the meat, and yeah, here are the barbecue sauce, cheese, and onions, olives, jalapenos, and all kinds of ingredients, and last but not least the tomatoes and the green salad. So first of all I will smell it and then I will taste it. How does it smell? And let's take a full noseful. It tastes about walking down the street in the summer. No, it tastes about barbecue, nothing else expected. And yeah, let's taste it. So in combination with the cheese oregano and the barbecue sauce and the beef, or it isn't, or is it beef? I don't know. I think it's the perfect, it fits perfect together. And the taste is really good, smoky because of the barbecue sauce, and yeah, I will bite another piece out. Yeah, this fits really good together. So in my response, I would give the chit 8.5, maybe on a good day a 9 when there is a lot of stuff on it, because the guy who made it take much on it, but this isn't the case, so it's an 8.5. In my mind, barbecue sauce, cheese oregano with turkey ham. Hopefully I can show you some of the warm subs next time. Otherwise we see us in the next episode. Feel free to subscribe, thumbs up if you like, and I'm happy that you watched this video. Wish you good day, good evening, good night, See you. Bye bye.